Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a meter to read a phone. First, ensure your digital multimeter is set to the correct function for the measurement you intend to take. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the phone's power source before beginning any tests. Familiarize yourself with the symbols for voltage and continuity on your device, as these are crucial for accurate readings. To measure voltage, set your multimeter to the DC voltage range, typically around 20 volts for most phone components. Connect the red probe to the positive test point and the black probe to the negative or ground. The displayed reading indicates the voltage present, helping you assess battery health or identify power supply issues within the circuit. This step is vital for diagnosing power-related problems. For continuity testing, switch your multimeter to the continuity mode, often indicated by a speaker or diode symbol. Touch the probes to 2 points on the circuit you wish to test. A distinct beep or a reading of 0 ohms on the display confirms a continuous path, indicating no breaks in the circuit. This helps pinpoint broken traces or faulty connections efficiently. When troubleshooting, always consult the phone's schematic diagram to accurately locate test points and expected values. Before working on a live phone, practice these techniques on a non-critical circuit to build confidence. Based on your meter readings, you can then confidently identify and replace faulty components, ensuring a successful repair. Precision and patience are key to effective phone diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.